All right, so you just have a couple weeks left to get all that last-minute Christmas shopping done. So we have a couple of good high-tech ideas for that techie you love in your life. I'm joined now by Jeanette Barnes from Verizon, and you have some really cool presents here that you came to show me. Now, first of all, I guess kind of the thing that we've really been looking at, these various helicopters here. Tell me a little bit about this.
Yes, they're both actually remote control helicopters, but what makes them so unique from other helicopters that you see, these are actually controlled by your smartphone. So you can actually have an Android, you can have an iPhone, any type of Android or Apple product can direct these two helicopters.
Wow, that's really, so can we, is it too dangerous or risky in here? Are we able to maybe fly one of them?
Now this one actually has a 1080p camera in it, so just hit the piloting key.
Piloting, okay. Yeah. All right.
So, it's going to take it just 1 second to load. All right, so hit takeoff.
Takeoff. Here we go.
It's going to go off.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. There we go.
And there we are on camera. So you wave.
Oh my. Okay. So there we go. So obviously it works, and so you do it on this phone here. Okay, so what else we got?
And then we've got our phablets. Okay. So this is a mix between a phone and a tablet. So for that person that's undecisive of what they want, as far as a tablet or a phone, it's both all in one. So we have the Note 2, and then we've got the Intuition. So those are the two devices we have for this holiday season.
And now, how much will these run you?
$299.
$299. Okay, so a little bit pricey, but you know, for the techie, that's really what we want. And then what do we have going on over here?
Now, what's really exciting about this? Most people look at it and they see a nanny cam. But what's really exciting about this is for anybody that's working, they can't make it to Johnny's football game or basketball game, whatever it may be. Somebody can take this with them, and you can actually view them on a tablet, a desktop, any type of computer, the phone, and actually see the basketball game right from your desk. So I can kind of show you right now. We've got a video on a friend of ours' dog. So
and so this is live. They record it live, and you can watch it on your phone.
So you just log in anywhere. And let me log in here real quick, and we'll see Max here in just a second.
And so, and about how much does this cost you right here?
$129.
$129. So that's a little bit cheaper than the tablets. And then what about these helicopters? How much?
The helicopters right now, this one's $50, and that one's $299.
Oh wow! So for $50, this little one, that's a pretty reasonable price.
Most definitely, yes.
That's definitely a reasonable price. Okay, very good. And then lastly, really quick, what do we have here?
This is our Sure Response. This is for your older loved ones. They can actually stay in touch with family by the click of a button, and then also for emergency, get emergency response within 30 seconds.
And how much does this run you?
You can do it for $19.99 a month.
$19.99 a month,
yes.
So very affordable. Okay, very good.
Most definitely.
Thank you so much for being here. Jeanette Barnes with Verizon. All of these high-tech toys for your loved ones, they can be found at Verizon Wireless. Chris, back to you.